A little tip when you clean up your old Atari 2600, when you want to clean the inside of it, I found the best way to do that, to clean the inside where the cartridge goes, the terminals, so you don't have to take all this off. What you do is, bear with me because I'm holding my phone at the same time. What you want to do is find an old credit card, cut it so it's about the same size, put a screwdriver in here so it opens up the terminals carefully. Get some surgical spirits, tip it on the bit of the cloth, just a minute. Wrap it round like that, wrap it round it, make it like not too wet, just damp, and just stick it in and carefully clean the terminals, and you'll find it makes a clearer picture and improve it, because these are 43 years old probably, 40 odd years old. If you imagine the amount of dirt and dust gets in there through the years. See, just give it a clean. There's a little bit of dirt there, see? Yeah. And another tip, take that off and give it a very light rub of sandpaper, like just very light. That helps as well. Apart from that, this one's pretty clean inside. And you take the top off, give it a wipe over with a damp cloth. And another tip, a lot of people don't realise, these things, this inner, this comes out. There's a couple of clips at the back there. You unclip it. If this has got a damaged one, you can change it. What I've been doing, you see this one I've done earlier, painted it, the edges, so it's more brighter. Take it off first, it's easier because you don't get paint on the other side. Just paint it with some yellow paint, with an orangey sort of paint. You can find it Airfix paint. I think number's 43, I can't be sure, don't quote me on that. But it's the same colour, so that's that really. So thanks for watching guys, and good luck to you.